Space Tech Expo 2019 with now Roger Rutz from Experior Laboratories. Roger, welcome back once again.
Well, thank you very much.
You're obviously in the testing industry. It's some exciting times in that marketplace. The space industry's got this huge appetite at the moment for expansion, maybe going back to the moon, maybe beyond going back to the moon. How's the role of a company involved in testing evolving in that?
Everything has to go much faster. Everybody is on a lot of pressure. I mean, just last week, President Donald Trump gave NASA an additional $1.6 billion to go earlier. That literally within a few days trickled down to us, since we are working on Orion and SLS. So everything has to go faster. People need to get work done. And for us, this means, hiring more people, expanding facilities, which we've done just this past November, adding a third facility with more capacity, just to address the market, which is just going crazy, just super busy. So we're very happy.
Now, in a super busy market, sometimes there can be some challenges. What are those?
Challenges is there's only 24 hours in the day. Everybody's hiring, so finding talented staff, engineers. For us, it's mainly mechanical, electrical, aerospace engineers. It's tough. Everybody's having the same challenges. Everybody's hiring, not enough qualified people. We're an ITAR registered test lab, so we can also only hire U.S. citizens, so that makes it some additional challenges there. And yes, there's not enough time in the day to get all the work done that's currently available.
Let's look at some opportunities then. Let's look at the next sort of 10 years within the aerospace and space systems industry. From your point of view as a tester, what's the opportunities in the next decade?
Well, the opportunity is growth, correct? So, I mean, we're a 15-year young company, so we're still young in the field, only in the space industry for, about 7-8 years. Mainly coming from the aerospace industry before, but now in the space industry. So there's just an influx. I mean, you see the number of rocket delivery vehicles that are out there, number of rocket companies, different sizes. Then, of course, different types of payloads, bigger satellites, smaller satellites, the number of constellations that are going up. All of them have to be tested. So, and with, now telecom going to 5G, just a larger hunger for data, correct? A larger hunger for data coming through satellites. Then you have the ground stations to pick up the signals, and you have the backbone, which is wired. So it comes back to us, at our laptops and cell phones. So as long as, there's a hunger for data, there is just more demand to get more systems up in the sky and, get more pictures taken, more things to download. And so we certainly foresee the near future. Don't know how many years that will be, but for right now, I think it's a very healthy demand. There will be some fallout, but I believe that we're in a very good spot as a testing service provider with the capabilities and expanded capabilities that we have and keep adding on every month.
Roger, thank you very much for your insights.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. Have a good show.